Good day, everyone! This is BitSeven Crypto News Digest Weekly. Stolen crypto from Cryptopia have been sold. Recently, we have been telling about Cryptopia quite a lot, which shouldn't be surprising at this point. Unfortunately, this exchange had been through a lot in past couple of months, and it just confirms that this new space is far from being secure. So, new events like ETF-proposal or launch of next Ethereum are highly anticipated in the industry to bring stability and move market forward. But let's return to the news of Cryptopia. Cybersecurity experts have traced the path of coins stolen from New Zealand's exchange and found out that part of those coins were successfully sold on other crypto exchanges. Hackers were able to launder more than $3.2 million. According to the report of analytics company Elementus, hackers liquidated stolen from Cryptopia coins for around $3.2 million. Most of the coins were sold on decentralized crypto exchange EtherDelta, around $2 million. Scammers' activities were also noticed on other platforms like Huobi, KuCoin, Livecoin, CoinExchange, and even Binance, which on first days of hackers' attack assured users that their experts had revealed accounts associated with hackers and blocked them. Update about Cryptopia. This morning, hackers have sold tokens for $3.2 million, with the most part going through EtherDelta. Tweeted Elementus about the recent update on the Cryptopia situation. Let's make a small recollection of what happened to Cryptopia. On January 15th, there was a breach detected in security of Cryptopia that led to lots of coins stolen. Then, after a couple of weeks, there appeared to be another attack with 17,000 hacked wallets and 1,675 ETH stolen. Users of the exchange were continuing on depositing money even despite the accounts were flagged as unsafe as a result from previous attack, and therefore were exposed to the new hacking attack again. Note that Cryptopia at the point have lost all the access both for coins and wallets. New service Abra for futures trading in BTC. A major player in crypto space have made its first big attempt on entering stock trading market. Provider of mobile application Abra announced expanding its product functionality by adding the option of investing with the use of Bitcoin and other crypto in traditional financial tools, such as companies' shares and exchange-traded funds. We provide something like investing in shares, explained CEO of Abra Bill Bahrit in an interview for the blog. At first, there are going to be 50 actives available for purchase for such companies as Facebook, Amazon, Google, and Apple. Instead of buying real shares, Abra platform will allow users purchasing shares representation in Bitcoin. Due to the fact that Abra, same as its customers, aren't technically controlling any of stock shares, there is no need for following same regulatory rules that are in Robinhood and TD Ameritrade, which means these services can be available in 150 countries around the world. We believe that aside global access, financial products should be simple in use and easy for understanding. To achieve these goals, we are constantly improving users' experience of the application and offer information, price charts, and asset summaries. That helps to make informed investment decisions, commented Barhett. For people who are skeptical about Abra's capabilities of retaining Bitcoin pegged to stocks, Barhett points at company's record of service. This is not the first such task for 3C. They have already showed Bitcoin representation of alternative crypto. Critical vulnerability was detected in Zcash network. Hackers were able to create an infinite number of fake tokens. The error had existed for several years before it was fixed. Zcash cryptocurrency developers have reported a vulnerability, due to which hackers could create an infinite number of fake tokens. The error was discovered by cryptographer Ariel Gabizon in March 2018, but the project leaders decided not to disclose the details and solve the problem with updating the Zcash sapling protocol, which was activated in late October. The vulnerability was in the system zk-snarks. It is used to hide balances and user data. Zcash stressed that the problem did not affect privacy. It related exclusively to the possibility of creating non-existent coins. The problem was completely solved. No action by Zcash users is required, the startup representatives commented. After detecting a malfunction, the blockchain project took certain measures to minimize its use and also warned other companies that use the Zcash protocol, including Horizon and Komodo. Zcash CEO Zuka Wilcox explained that the team did not want to disclose information about vulnerabilities until all the largest cryptocurrency capitalization is protected. Venezuela broke another BTC trade record. It seems that Venezuela is tired of the current economic situation in the country. Hyperinflation has affected every citizen of the country. Now it is problematic for a local to buy both food and medicines. Many Venezuelans make other financial decisions that allow them to be more secure and independent. According to the diagram of Professor Steve Henke, published February 6, 2019, the annual rate of inflation in Venezuela is 129.707%, and the annual inflation is not expected. Not surprisingly, Venezuelans are switching to cryptocurrencies such as Dash or Bitcoin in an effort to avoid hyperinflation. According to the latest data on Coin.dance, in Venezuela another record was broken in terms of Bitcoin trading for the week 2019-02-02. It amounted to 2004 BTC per week, or $6,835,744. When recalculating the volume of trade in Bitcoins in Venezuela bolivars, the amount will be more than 17 billion. The growth in the volume of trade in Bitcoins can be seen clearly. Hotel in Dubai introduces blockchain. Another news about blockchain technology implementation came the other day from Dubai. Hotel Caesars Blue Waters Dubai is implementing a blockchain-based payment solution that will allow employees to transfer allowances using a digital wallet, reported digital media. The hotel had chosen liquidated LucidPay solution to provide employees with a digital payment solution that will allow them to use their allowances in hotels and entertainment venues. The smart platform is integrated to optimize staff allowances and staff discounts in an efficient, safe and easy way. The platform uses smart wallets and smart contracts, which allows you to predetermine the conditions for each employee's wallet, ensuring smooth transactions at retail outlets. LucidPay infrastructure easily integrates into POS and PMS hotel systems, including Oracle Symphony and Opera. LucidPay wallet supports iOS and Android. LucidPay is the right choice due to its seamless integration with Symphony and Opera. We didn't need any additional equipment. It is very easy to set up and use. It requires minimal training for existing staff, said IT infrastructure head Jean Joseph. This is the second hotel in the country where the blockchain solution was introduced. Fake news. Bakkt will launch on March 12th. The long-anticipated and possibly revolutionary platform Bakkt will be launching in March. That's what we really wanted to say, but unfortunately it was a fake website. Scammers who created the website were sending this news via email newsletter from behalf of the platform. Here is some info from the letter. Crypto platform Bakkt, oriented on major investors, is going to be launched on March 12th. The masked site of the platform just recently published this long-awaited announcement. 12 world's biggest exchanges and a wide spectrum of financial tools will guarantee Bitcoin's entrance on fiat market as global digital currency. On the platform, it will be displayed as Bakkt BTC USD Daily Future. Each contract will cost 1 BTC and will be calculated based on the price of US dollar with 2 decimal places. Minimum accounted for price fluctuation is $2.5 for a Bitcoin. For big transactions starting from 10 BTC, it will be possible to spot the price in the accuracy of $0.01. Website of the platform has description for all the necessary information for launch, and also platform is stating second round of financing with a goal of $50 million. Website also shows the roadmap for 2019, indicating recent completion of platform testing and starting second round of funding. In the first round, Bakkt was able to raise more than $182.5 million. A lot of big companies decided to invest into this project, like CMT Digital, Goldfinch Partners, Galaxy Digital, Horizon Ventures, Boston Consulting Group, Goldfinch Partners, Microsoft, etc. It was also reported that regulatory branch of Bakkt announced that it will receive final approval from CTFC in the end of February. It is obvious that scammers had created fake websites to raise money using popular name of the platform. At the moment, it doesn't seem like there were any transactions transferred to scammers' addresses. This news have clearly gained attention in the community, and now it's quite interesting how investors will react on this trap and what will be the official statement from BACT. Analyst JP Morgan about Bitcoin stabilization. Recently, the name JP Morgan has become unpopular in the crypto industry. Not so long ago, the company's headquarters in New York released a document in which its analysts were skeptical about the value of cryptocurrency in almost all environments, with the exception of anti-utopian communities experiencing distrust of centralized financial intermediaries. JP Morgan analysts added that Bitcoin BTC shows bubble properties, reminding technology stocks in the late 90s and at the turn of the millennium, is community's opinion. With this in mind, analysts have decided that if the bear market stays for a long period, BTC may find support at $2,400, probably even fall below $1,260. However, on Wednesday, an analyst at JP Morgan gave an interview to CNBC that there is a potential for cryptocurrency space and not just flows. Nikolaos Panegyrgzoulou noted that as the cryptocurrency market stabilizes, for example, as it is now, the market will be ready for the mass arrival of institutional investors. He also added that, from his point of view, the crypto industry has completed the last cycle of the bubble and recession. Now it is waiting for the side price movement. In his opinion, the changes may not be far off. In fact, in its current form, the regulatory authorities are a dam that holds back a powerful stream of water – institutionals. Panegyrgzoulou also noted that key flow indicators such as open contracts and volumes on crypto markets CBOE and CME began to significantly decline. For example, the volume of Bitcoin futures at CBOE fell almost to record lows. This was news from BitSeven. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on BitSeven.com.